Onions come in different sizes and varieties. Preparing them for the many food industry applications can present a variety of problems. M&P have been involved in the manufacture of food processing machinery for many years and have been supplying this pneumatic onion peeling system for over the past 40 years, a proven design for optimum efficiency and reliability. This system offers a complete process for 45mm to 115mm diameter onions. It tops and tails the onions in one operation, then slits the outer skin and removes it with compressed air. No change parts are required. The onions are picked up from the hopper automatically and then positioned by the feed operator so that the tops and tails are set horizontally across the carriers. The machine has a variable speed control that the feed operator can control from their working position, as well as a digital display to monitor quantity output per minute. This machine can output up to 110 onions per minute. There is also an emergency stop close to hand, along with the operator control station. Removing the tops and tails is the first operation. Both blades automatically move depending on the size of each individual onion to ensure that the minimum amount is removed, and the feed spider also adjusts to hold the onions in position. The machine will accommodate differences of up to 25mm between minimum and maximum onion sizes. The onion skin is then slit so that compressed air can lift it from the onion flesh. The top clamp holds the onion in position to stop it twisting during slitting. Our machines have been specifically designed to slit varying sized and shaped onions, not requiring the onion to be perfectly round, which in turn produces a much higher success rate for the compressed air to completely remove the skin. This is the top and tail cutting unit. The blade position can be adjusted to control the amount of onion cut to waste. The shape of the plastic guides coupled with the floating action compensate automatically for different shapes and diameters. This is the slitting knife holder. Again, the depth of cut can be adjusted depending on the amount of layers you wish to remove. From the cutting area, the onion is conveyed to the peeling section of the machine. The onion is not grabbed or held by blades in any way during the transfer. Each onion is seamlessly dropped into the air compression chamber, where the air cushions the onion so that it does not get knocked or damaged and quickly removes the skin. The skinning wheel has 5 chambers, and you can see its process in action. We have removed the safety door to show you the speed and efficiency of its operation. The air pressure can be adjusted to suit the characteristics of the raw material. As the wheel holding the air chambers rotates, the peeled onion is led into this discharge conveyor, where the waste material is automatically separated from the peeled onion, and an air tube is positioned at the end to prevent skins exiting with the onions. This waste is then collected and easily removed. The machine is removing a minimum of waste, and since this is dry, it is more easily disposed of than wet or chemical processes, which carry inherent risk of pollution. The onions can then be discharged directly onto an inspection conveyor and processed for different applications. Smaller pickling shallot onions also need to be peeled for food industry purposes, and we also manufacture a machine for 18mm to 45mm diameter onions with this process in mind. The operating principle is the same, just on a smaller scale. The M&P onion peeling system offers a number of advantages over other products on the market. The onion is not skewered by the machine, so the entire product is perfect for all food industry uses, and the seated position for the operator allows for optimum vision for orientating the onions, which in turn leads to greater output. It has been designed to use a simple mechanical process, which means it is easy to maintain. The skinning wheel encloses the pneumatic system so it is not vulnerable to wear or damage, and the machine is powered by an inverter drive. Our onion peelers are highly efficient, with no change parts and minimum maintenance required.